When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better. When I look at what I've done, now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won.
This is a little update on where the Food Busker channel is at. This is Shepherd's Hut in Cornwall, down in Cornwall. Seeing my family, going surfing, and just getting some, like, I don't know, some downtime to work out what the future is for Food Busker. Food Busker has got over 190,000 subscribers now. Like, that is just bonkers. Bonkers. It's bonkers. Bonkers. There's nothing in there. It's dramatic effect, yeah. And that number grows every day, and like, people watch it in Thailand, Australia and New Zealand, Brazil and Argentina, Peru, and you guys get in touch all the time and you leave comments, and it makes my day. I'm so grateful to you guys. Thank you. With that in mind, I want to make content that's fresh and interesting for everyone. I want to make content that takes you on a food journey with me. I want to meet as many interesting people and tell their food stories. I want to show you the tastiest food the world has to offer. So you're going to be noticing a few changes on the channel. First up, I'm going to be changing my upload schedule. Videos will now be going up on Thursdays and Sundays at 5 o'clock. Seen these swans? Why, John? I hear you ask. Well, it's going to give me more time to film content I know you guys are going to love, and it means that more of you will be able to come along for the ride. I'm really excited to take the channel to the next level. But listen, if there's any videos that you really want to see, or any guidance you want to give, then please comment in the comment box below, because the channel's for both of us. Right, let's go on another adventure.
When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that.
So if you want to come along for the adventure, then subscribe to the channel and join the posse. Thanks for all your support, guys, and episode 4 of the Bacon series is out this Sunday. Increase the peace and spread the love.